The ground beneath us tells a story of strength, resilience, and possibility. At Chandigarh University, the Master of Engineering in Geotechnical Engineering program isn't just about soil and structures. It's about understanding the Earth itself and engineering a future rooted in innovation. Explore a globally aligned curriculum designed to meet the evolving demands of infrastructure and sustainability. At our advanced labs and research centers, turn theory into practice with real-time testing and projects that address today's environmental and structural challenges. Drive innovation through our specialized centers of excellence, which offer immersive research opportunities aligned with tomorrow's engineering demands. Engage with leading industry partners, gain insights from seasoned professionals, and apply your expertise through live projects, expert-led workshops, and strategic collaborations with top-tier organizations. Contribute to shaping resilient infrastructure and a sustainable future, supported by robust placement opportunities with leading organizations in the field. Expand your academic horizons through international collaborations for research projects, exchange programs, and global internships to build expertise that travels as far as your ambition. Open doors to multiple career pathways in geotechnical consulting, infrastructure development, environmental engineering, and beyond. Shape the ground you stand on. Build structures that last. At Chandigarh University, you're not just studying geotechnical engineering, you're crafting the foundation of the future.